It's me, Fred Fraleigh. I'm here with the Winston School of Character Arts. Welcome to part 2 of my course, Costume Fabrication, How to Make a Mask. I love fabrication as an approach to creating costumes because some of these processes just flow really freely and you can just really run with it, and I like that, the flexibility. It can be very, very accessible as far as materials. The things that I'm making are very, very easy on the wallet for the most part, and I think a great approach to making costumes and masks and props and everything. Today we will be completing the mask form itself, putting together the primary forms, and then in addition to that, adding some secondary forms to the mask. Once our primary and secondary forms have been assembled, I'm going to take you through the building process of creating this kind of antler. I'll be using different diameters of foam, grafting them together to create a flowy, more organic shape. Just like day one, we have a lot to get through today. Let's get started.